In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode here and tap on this sweater to activate it. Now, if you are using gestures navigation, you need to slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using three keys, do exactly the same without holding. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on blank area. To change placement of your screen, just swipe in an opposite direction, so in my case, to the left. Then go back the same way. If you want to switch off one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!